Today we're going to install the Cyron new LED light called the ABIG5. So here we go. The tools you're going to need: one screwdriver, Phillips number 2. Remove the locking nut and bolt, the ring underneath the headlight. Pull off the assembly. Hold the light and the beauty ring. You can let the beauty ring go. Take off the headlight. Unplug. Take your new Cyron light. Plug it in. You want to tuck the wires down below. You want to line up the little notch here with the notch there. Once that's lined up, take your light housing, put it over it, set it in, take your screwdriver, tighten the nut and the screw, making sure it stays in the center. And that's all you have to do. And let's try it out and see how it works. There's low beam. There's high beam.